Sandal, yung mga free t-shirt pa kami dito eh. Gusto nyo? Itaas yung mga kamay. Ito yung last namin na song. Diba yung tawag na Lipat Noy Noy. Di.
Lipat Noy V. Young Shane V.
Cause it ain't right to say life instead of living this way. Why not properly? If there's a choice, a country out poverty. These are my questions, I need my answers. Instead of dreams, I can sell cancer. Still we try to keep their hopes high. We feel the rich better yet they don't die. Our bigger picture is global warming. It's serious, it's no longer local warning. If it's hot, it's not you, it's the weather. It's not being soft, but it's all come together. Let's keep our environment clean and green. It's been a problem for years, but the scheme ain't seen. How about this time? It's time to change. Iba talaga ang Pino. Iba talaga. Iba talaga ang Pino. Iba talaga. Iba Pino. Everybody, let's go together. It starts from you, and you. This is the information to all the Filipinos who improve our nation. The way we live right now is no fun. We gotta help each other as one. Dear God, help us get this job done. Better life, better living. Cause it's a shame how we wanna improve, but we ain't doing it right because we think it's so right. But we think it's fine. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We gotta stand up, we gotta live our life, we gotta do this right this time. Whoa, whoa. Let's go, salamat po. Ako pala si Young JV. Big peace. Magandang gabi pa. Thank you. Okay, okay.